Want to download WebP or SVG images as JPG or PNG? I'm here to help. I'm Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to download WebP or SVG images as JPG or PNG. Now let's get started.
As you can see here, this is a WebP image and this is an SVG image. If you've ever tried saving an image from a website and noticed it downloads as .webp or .svg, it can be a little frustrating, especially when the software you're using doesn't support those formats. But don't worry, I've got a super simple fix for you. First, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Then hover over Extensions and click Visit Chrome Web Store. Once the store opens, go to the search bar and type Save Image As. Now in the search results, open the first extension that appears. Now click Add to Chrome and then select Add Extension. Give it a second and that's it. The extension is installed. Now for quick access, you can also pin the extension. Just click the puzzle icon in the toolbar, find the extension and click the pin icon. Alright, now let's use it. Go to any web page that includes a WebP or SVG image and refresh the page once to allow the extension to activate. Now simply right-click on the image and you'll see a new option called Save Image as Type. Hover over it and now you can choose JPG or PNG. Click the format you want and your image will download instantly in that format. And that's it. Now you can easily download WebP or SVG images as JPG or PNG and use them in any software, project or design tool without any issues.